How many hours can your brain survive constant loud noise? Hour 1. At first, it doesn't feel dangerous at all. The noise is just annoying. Your brain stays alert, your muscles tighten slightly, and stress hormones begin to rise. You can still think clearly and react normally. You tell yourself it's fine. You'll adapt. You always do. Hour 3. Your nervous system stops relaxing. Cortisol keeps flooding your body without a break. Your heart rate stays elevated even at rest. Small distractions become harder to ignore. Your focus slips in and out, and concentration takes more effort than before. Hour 6. Your brain is already tired. Neurons are firing non-stop with no recovery time. You feel irritable, tense, and mentally foggy. Sounds feel sharper and more aggressive. Even silence feels uncomfortable, like something is wrong. Hour 12. Your brain loses its ability to filter sound. Every noise feels loud and overwhelming. Headaches set in. Judgment worsens. Reaction time slows, and mistakes become more frequent and more dangerous. Hour 24. This is no longer just stress. Brain chemistry is disrupted. Sleep becomes difficult, even when the noise is gone. Memory suffers. Anxiety increases. Your brain is stuck in survival mode and can't fully reset. Long exposure to loud noise doesn't just damage your hearing, it slowly breaks your brain's ability to rest, recover, and function normally. So be honest, how many hours of loud noise do you live with every single day?